the best way to create drop-down lists in Excel so that they dynamically update whenever a new option is added. Let's get started. In my reporting template example, I want to keep track of employee training statuses and give the users the ability to select from a drop-down list so the entries are aligned with items I will be reporting on. I have the items I want to include in the drop-down list on the right and the status drop-down column. First, let's make the status drop-down list a table. To do so, I'll highlight the entire list. Select Ctrl-T and click OK. Making this list a table allows the field to automatically update the drop-down options if a new status is added. Now I'll highlight just the options I want in the drop-down and assign a name to this list. To do so, I'll go up to the top left in the name box and enter the name status. Then click Enter to assign the name. Now I'll select the cells where I want the drop-down list to occur, so I'll highlight these cells next to the training course. Next, I'll go to the Data tab at the top. Select Data Validation. In the Allow box, I'll change this to List. Then in the source, I will enter equals status and click OK. You'll notice the cells have now changed to have this down arrow where users can click and assign a status to the training based on my drop-down options. To further improve this list, I want the options that appear in the drop-down to be alphabetized so that if I have a longer list, my users can find it easier. Since I've created a table, I can easily alphabetize this by selecting the drop-down arrow and selecting Sort A to Z. Now that I've changed the list and the status drop-down, if I head back to the drop-down options under Training Status, you'll notice those are also alphabetized. If I need to add a new option to the status drop-down, like In Progress and Not Started, I can add those in the cells below, head back to the training status, and you'll notice those were automatically updated in my drop-down list.